Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Puja. I hope you all are doing well and loads of love. So today we are going to do a video which is very dear to me because it's going to be about something which is very much my favorite. Yes, you have guessed it right. It's about lipstick. I feel lipsticks are the greatest invention when it comes to makeup because you are everything else in makeup but not lipstick. You are definitely gonna look incomplete, but when it comes to lipstick, you add a little bit of compact powder and a little bit of lipstick, you are good to go. As they play a very vital role, it is very essential to get it right. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started to our video, Lipstick 101.
Before this lipstick application, your lips need hydration, so apply a lip balm beforehand. Now take a lipstick of your own choice, as I have taken MAC Ruby Retro Matte and trying to place it along the sides of my arches and trying to make a V between the two arches. As you can see, it's a completely imperfect V, but we can still work with it. And trying to line along the sides of my upper lip and then lower lip, and I'm trying to do it perfectly, but I'm not being able to do it. It's very common, it happens to all of us, so we can go ahead and don't change the position of your lipstick and make it I'm trying to go ahead and do it for the second time and trying to line it and trying to mend in all the gaps and trying to make it look as decent and as perfect as we can. It looks decent enough. So now it's lipstick application for those special days, and I'm going ahead with a lip liner. As you can see, I'm trying to make a cross-like thing between the two arches and going ahead with lining both my lips, and it helps. Oops, I just messed with one of my edges and tried to clean with my finger. So I'm just filling in my lips with the lip liner. So it really helps. The lip liner really helps for beginners who struggles with lipstick. Lip liners always help when it comes to lipstick application. Now I am going ahead with my lipstick and filling my lips with the lipstick, and after filling in the lips with the lipstick, just make sure all your edges are clean and trying to make my arches look very sharp. Oh my god, there's a lot of lipstick going in my teeth, and that's a very common thing. So don't forget the lip stain test. Take your finger and close your lips and take your finger out, and all the lipstick that you see is gonna go ahead in your teeth and make you look very clumsy. Now it's liquid lipstick application. Liquid lipsticks are a little tricky. They are very liquidy and you have to apply it with very much of a patience. Now you can see that I have marked my two arches and trying to make a V. Oh my god, it's a perfect V. I got a perfect V, guys. So I'm trying to line my upper lip and then the lower lip. After lining my upper lip and the lower lip, I'll be filling my lower lip first and then the upper lip. And after the filling, you can just check that you need to clean any edges or not. So you can definitely clean the edges, and after the application, if you want to apply it for a second coat, you can go ahead and apply it for a second coat. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Loads of love till we meet again. Bye bye. Thank you.